Alright, let's open this sucker up. I never know where to make the incision, you know? I'm always nervous opening up the patient.
You're like Dr.
First
Nick.
time, it just feels, there's a part of it that feels wrong, you know? It's been sealed for so long. It's almost feels like it should say sealed, and yet I'm compelled by something to open it.
The incision is supposed to be made below the blockage. Below. Thanks, little girl.
Alright, here we go. Oh, these packs look to be in pretty good shape.
Good.
They've aged
when they
well.
stick together, it sucks.
Well, let's see. We haven't opened one yet. They might still be very sticky.
Mm.
Let's not get our hopes too high here. Okay. Here's our first gold medallion. It's of Mike Hampton.
Dude,
Wow.
he was great. Like
Ooh,
for
these
3
cards.
years.
Ooh.
Sticky.
Ooh, no.
Stuck.
Oh, like this is serious.
This is bad.
This is serious. Okay. Okay, this is ugly.
Oh, dude.
Oh Lord.
What do you do? What
Well, so supposedly you can put them in the freezer,
freezer?
and that helps.
How long do they have to be in the freezer? Overnight?
I don't know. Well, I assume you have to get them, you know, to freezing point. Let's see what'll happen if we just crack this up here. Todd Walker. Look at that. Look at how much it lost there on the edges.
Shit.
It's brutal. Todd. So see, this is... We haven't really encountered this yet, but this is, you know, part of opening packs from this era. The cards are printed on glossy stock, which, you know, in the wrong conditions. Who knows how this is stored? But I mean, we opened the hoarder box. Oh, you know, it's not the gold medallion card. It's just regular Mike Hampton. And that one was fine. So
Why is he batting? He was a pitcher.
John Allred.
I like the Lorraine. He always wore a helmet in the field. Not
Alright.
really sure why.
You know what?
He was a pioneer.
Let's just throw this in the freezer for a bit, and then we'll revisit it.
The whole box, or
Yeah.
yeah.
Let's watch some Independence Day.
One eternity later.
We're back. Cards are nice and cold. We've got this stack in here to see if they've separated at all. Let's see. Does not seem to have helped. Oh, well, actually. What an awful sound.
Sounds like an ice cream cone breaking.
Oh. Poor Andy.
Yeah.
This is gonna be a rough one. It's gonna be a rough box to get through. There's no good way.
There has to be something we can do.
Well, if we see any really good cards or anything, we'll stop and figure it out from there. But oof, that is rough. I do not think putting them in the freezer helped very much at all.
Do you think
Luis
there's
Gonzalez.
a chance like packs in the bottom will be less stuck together?
Let's check one out. Let's grab a pack here from the bottom. Let's see what we're working with down here. Ooh, it seems to be getting colder the deeper I go. Okay. Oh, okay. So those weren't stuck together. That's a good sign. Jintome. Okay. Oh, Griffey checklist. No, that's fine. So hopefully it's just these top packs that are... Because this is fine. This we can live with. Dimitri Young. Famous card collector in his own right.
Really?
Yeah.
I wonder if he
I love
bothered
this
all of
Griffey
his teammates
checklist.
for autographs.
Look how smug he looks.
He does kind of look like a dick. This guy ferocious. Big Mo! Back in his Boston days. He was so lovable back then. He was just only kind of fat then.
Yeah.
Not super fat.
Preston Wilson.
You know what's cool about Preston Wilson? Or surprising, is that he was the son of Mookie, or he is the son of Mookie Wilson, but he was actually adopted. And still a baseball
Still
player.
wound up playing baseball. Very
Just
interesting.
like his
It's not
papa.
all genetics, you know, it's not all nature. Some of it is nurture.
I guess so.
Devon White. Rolando Arroyo. Our Golden Giants here.
That's how Mike got to the Dodgers. He sucked.
Okay. I like these feature prospect cards.
Yeah, that's cool.
It's like booting up an old Mac OS. That old Mac font.
Yeah. File.
So fun.
Edit.
So ridiculous.
Cut. Copy.
So 90s. This is what we love.
Nice.
Okay. Well, let's just hope all the good cards are at the bottom of the box. And these top packs, you know, just padding.
Maybe they just took out the sun damage. Or whatever possibly causes
Yeah,
cards
see,
to
these are
melt.
getting better. Andrew Jones, look at that picture. He's all the way over the wall.
Yeah,
That's a
but
great shot.
we don't know if he caught it or not. We'll never know. Is that
Baldy,
Percy?
David Wells.
Oh, that was right after he threw his perfect game. And they hoisted him up.
Yep.
It's Perez on.
Ah, the book
Big
on
Mac.
the Big Mac. Love it. Mark McGuire.
I want that. He's a fellow Trojan.
Nice
now.
and nice and embossed. Back when everything had to be embossed. Side. All good.
Cool card.
Alex Rodriguez.
Pre-steroids.
Look at how skinny he is. Skin and bones. Troy Larry, Garrett Anderson. Stuck together here. Oh yeah, these cards are coming apart now. Oh yeah, now we're in business. Maybe the old freezer did him some good, or maybe those packs were just bad. All right, Brett Tomko.
Sucked as a
Ooh.
Dodger.
Alex Rodriguez checklist. Edgar.
Never gonna be in the Hall of Fame.
Season crowns, you never know. Alex Rodriguez, season crown, that it's part of the base set. Raul Mondesi, Rod Beck, may he rest in
Deceased.
peace. Paul Kaneko.
Wow, in the very short time he was a Reds jersey.
Peyton
That's like getting Mike
McCracken.
Piazza as a
As a-
Marlin.
yeah. Which in the year before, in 1998 Ultra, I believe his Pizzazz card, he's featured in a Florida Marlins jersey. Eric Davis.
Sucked as a Dodger.
Tony Womack. Alright, you want to open a couple? How about it?
Yes, I do. I've got lucky hands tonight.
Alright, let's see him.
See if I can open the pack first. It's not looking so good so far. There we go. Todd Zeal. I always liked him. He always said that he hated swinging at the first pitch, and he one season only swung at the first pitch like 6 times. Roger Clemens in Toronto, Mike Messina. Sorry that I'll never get in the Hall of Fame. Ooh, Adrian Beltre. I never would have thought it when he was a Dodger, but he's probably going into the Hall of Fame.
Oh, I
This-
think no doubt.
He's about to get 3,000 hits. Does this go up here? Ken Griffey Jr. I like how
Padres.
the giant Padres logo is in back of him. Eric Milton. Threw a no-hitter. Brian Hunter. Robin Ventura. And Big Daddy Vladdy. Okay. I like that Beltre card.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's like kind of a refresher quality to it.
Sorry. Take 3. But I'll make it up to you by pulling a really good card. And it's not Brad Fulmer. It's definitely not Armando Benitez. Kevin Brown, no. Doug Glanville, no. Bernie Williams, definitely not. Matt Anderson.
Gold medallion.
He could throw like 100 miles an hour, but it didn't really matter. He never could stay healthy. Jason Giambi, steroids. Brett Boone, steroids. Dustin Hermanson sucked. Alright, you're up. Sorry. Sorry for knocking over the camera.
You got the yips.
I did.
Gotta pull you. Okay, here we go. Cards are starting to warm up a little bit. Not quite as cold as they were when we started. Oh, and look at that. They're just coming right apart. Contain no thing. Oh, you know what? We never really did a full review of the odds here. Let's go over that real quick. Real quick, we're looking for, we get 1 gold medallion per pack. Prospects, 1 in 40 packs. Season Crown, 1 in 80 packs. Oh, so the Prospect gold medallion you pulled just now is 1 in 40 packs. That's not bad.
The Beltre?
No, the Matt
Okay.
Anderson
Oh.
Prospect card. Platinum Medallion Edition. Regular players number 99. Prospects number to 65. And Season Crowns number to 50. And then Masterpiece Edition, only 1 of each produced. So there's 20 the book on, which comes 1 in 6 packs. We pulled the Mark McGuire so far. 15 World Premiere, we pulled the Adrian Beltre. 15 Thunderclap, 1 in 36. 15 Damage Incorporated, 1 in 72. And then the 10 Diamond Producer cards at 1 in 288. Okay. Armored. David Ortiz in a very strange Minnesota Twins jersey. I remember this.
Yeah. He still looks like David Ortiz, though.
He's definitely David Ortiz.
I think I see John Kruk back there. Oh,
Walker.
Larry Walker.
Ryan Minor.
Ryan Miner.
And a Dimitri Young gold medallion. Johnny Damon. Bobby Abreu. Jeff Cirillo. Mike Hampton.
Why are the Mike Hampton cards of him batting?
I don't know.
Could be not
Doesn't
pitching enough?
Does seem like maybe they wanted more action. Carlos Perez. See, this almost looks like a Masterpiece edition because the background's all purple, the font's pretty purpley. But it's not. It's just a normal card.
You've seen that video of him taking swings at the Gatorade?
Yeah.
He kept missing.
Classic. Classic Carlos Perez. Ooh, gold to Deo Nomo on the Mets. Another Dodger turned Met.
Yeah, but we got him back when he was.
Whoa.
Who
That's a
is that?
crazy card. Derek Jeter, Thunderclap.
What?
That's cool.
That is cool.
That's a dope one. What was that? Was that 1 in 70 packs? 1 in 36 packs. Like that. And it's a Peter. You can't argue with that.
Nah.
Okay, Luis Gonzalez, Jay Powell, Ben Grieve. Ooh, this one feels extra thick for some reason. Is there an extra card in this pack? How many cards are supposed to be per pack? It's supposed to contain 10 cards. How many does this contain? Oh man. Uh-oh. It's a painful one. Okay, well, let's see. Gary Sheffield, gold medallion.
Oh.
Dodgers, Sheffield.
Still, boo.
Oh, I loved him as a Dodger, I'm not gonna lie.
He's friends with Barry Bonds. That's he knows he's a piece of shit.
But there not be any good cards in this.
Yeah, dude, we still gotta keep pulling from the bottom.
Yeah, these ones are just... Oh. So painful. It's David Wells, we gotta get it.
Yeah, we already got it.
Yeah. You can have that, David Wells.
Thank
You
you.
can have the bad one. Oh, we gotta get this Cal Ripken.
Can I autograph it with my own
Oh,
name?
look. Cal Ripken Jr. with a rally cap on the back.
Is that a beanie?
I know, yeah, you're right, it is Beanie. Well, we gotta rescue it.
It's probably when he was like going really bald. He didn't want anyone to know.
That's a good shot. It's a lot of good photography. Oh yeah, look. So I think we did get an extra card because there are 2 gold medallions in this pack. And there should have only been 1. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got 12 cards. This pack had 2 extra cards in it.
It was Jose something.
Jose something. Alright, you open this one, Barshop.
That one?
Yeah. Giving you another shot. Don't make me regret it.
I want to pick my own.
That's for you. You pick one.
This is the hardest part.
Got more other cards.
Big Cat. Ugh. Bobby Bonilla. Dude, my dad used to boo him all the time at Dodger games. He hated Bonilla. Ed Sprague is ruined. Ugh, shit, man.
It's like nails on a chalkboard.
Dude, we just need to open the ones at the bottom.
No, you gotta power through it. Push up.
Chuck Finley. I can't even. Like, I don't have sharp enough nails.
No, don't do that. Just work better. Are you gonna make me sub you out?
I can't do this.
Alright, step aside. Hey, look, you're doing it right now. Here,
It's too hard.
step aside,
I'm gonna
step aside.
pull it apart.
Alright. What are we working with here? Okay, Reggie Sanders. Checklist. Oh, what did you do to poor Ed? You mauled him.
Nothing. He ruined his own career.
You mauled him. See, on this side, they're completely separated. All you had to do was go over here. You just gotta work at it. And look, your reward, Kerry Wood season crown.
That would have been good. So now it's worth nothing.
Yep.
If he stayed injured, maybe that card would get a lot of money. I think this was his rookie year. No, 98 was.
Tony G. Bringing up the rear. Jared Wright.
Was Tony G the second or third Tony and Tony?
I'm not sure. Rob Nen, that's a pretty cool shot.
Do you know Rob Nen in the Giants Angels World Series? Like, oh
Cal
shit,
Ripken
Cal Ripken.
Jr.
Nice.
Yeah,
I could save.
who were you saying?
Rob Nen was pitching for the Giants in the World Series against the Angels, and he shouldn't have been, but he'd never been to the World Series before. I think he got called up to the Marlins in '98 right after they won. And, actually I could be wrong. But anyway, he was told not to pitch, and he decided to throw as hard as he could, and he basically blew his arm out and ruined his career, just so he could win a World Series for the Giants.
Wow,
Or with.
what a soldier.
Let me see. I don't think he was on that '97 team. I think he
The
really
book
was.
on Frank Thomas, and somehow, despite all that cracking, it has very minimal paper loss on the front, which is somewhat surprising. Set that aside. Kerry Wood.
Yeah, you're right. In the '93 World Series. He blew his arm out at 32.
Greg Maddox, when he didn't blow his arm out, thank God. Kenny Rogers.
Hey, he went to Los Alamitos.
Really? Oh, some of these packs are still pretty stuck together.
You hear it. It's like fingernails on a chalkboard.
Yep. Sandy Alomar Jr.
Better than Sandy Alomar Sr. Not as good as Roberto Alomar.
Kenny Lofton.
I like them.
Roy Rebnin. You got a prospect. Josh Booty.
Oh no! His brother was a quarterback for USC football when we were kids.
That's funny.
John David Booty.
Do you think when they called him up, it was a booty call?
Nice. There was actually some contest where it was like a TV show where if you won, you got to try out for a big league team, and John David Booty, quarterback, won it and was throwing knuckleballs for like the Tampa Bay Devil Race for a couple of months before they released him.
Huh. It's a funny little tidbit.
Oh,
Oof.
that was the worst.
Todd.
of all. Todd Walker keeps
I'm sorry, Todd.
he keeps getting the worst of it.
I'm sorry. Alright, this one's coming apart a little easier. Alright, we got another season crown, which again is not an insert, but you know, looks different. Henry Rodriguez.
A little thrill. Brett Saberhagen.
There's some diehard Brett Saberhagen collectors out there.
Are you serious?
I think there's one.
One person
One
Brett
guy.
Saberhagen.
I think I was reading a thread by someone who like collects Brett Saberhagen cards.
He was the MVP of whatever the Royals won in 84, 85. He was 85.
Ryan Anderson. Oh, more Josh Booty prospect cards.
I always hated Brian Anderson because one time when I was a kid, I was going to see Randy Johnson pitch against the Dodgers. He was a late scratch. I heard on the way to the game, and they were starting Brian Anderson instead. And I was so upset because I wanted to see the big unit. So from that moment on, I just hated Brian Anderson.
That's a good reason to hate somebody.
It's like, you ruined my night, dude. You took something away from me. As I recall, we actually kicked his ass. I think Marquise Grissom hit a couple of homers. It was nice.
Gotta love it. Craig Biggio, Sean Green.
Sean Green. You have to get back to me.
Jr., Todd Jones, Trevor Hoffman, Garcia, Tino,
Daryl Kyle. R.I.P.
What happened to Daryl Kyle?
He had like a heart form, not a malady.
Oh, that sucks.
He just died in his sleep one night.
Alright, go for a push up. Try it again.
I don't want to.
You over it?
I don't trust myself.
Okay.
I'm gonna get some water and watch you.
Okay. Milton, Dan Regal, Dan Lewis, Wilson, either.
Anything?
Nothing.
Outlighter. He's a great commentator. Very good to his mother.
Oof. Sorry, Sandy. Sorry, Tom. Sorry, everybody in this pack. Ugh. Tony, I'm sorry. You deserve better. Sammy Sosa, no! I love that picture of him.
No one knew you were on steroids then. And also you were black.
Winston loved you. Ooh, gold medallion checklist. Whoa.
Is that good?
No. Oof.
What color would you say Sammy Sosa is? I would say like
eggshell white.
Not really. I was gonna say more like dentine pink.
Oh, interesting. Kurt Schilling. What a douche.
Just because he is a misogynist.
He's douchey and a racist.
And a Republican. He's like a hardcore Republican.
And a racist.
What did you say that was racist?
He got kicked off ESPN for racist tweets.
I thought they were like sexist tweets.
Well, he did those too, I think. I think he just kind of did all of the above. 1, 2, 3,
Ugh.
4.
I can't bear to look. But just hearing the sound is worse. It really is fingernails on the chalkboard.
World premiere Thank God it's just Mike Frank.
Mike Frank.
Willie McGee, no.
You're still playing in 98?
This is 99, son.
Mm.
Well played. Okay, thank God. We're almost out of this pack. Just gotta separate these two cards. Damn, no, okay. Some extent to this card. Come on, puppy. Jeff Shaw.
Boo. That's who we traded Paul Konerko for.
5,
Do you know he
7,
is the
8,
only
9,
player...
10, 11, 12, 13. This pack had 13 cards.
Really?
It's only supposed to have 10 cards per pack. These packs, because I'm noticing like the thickness is all over the place. Like this one feels pretty thick too. I bet you this one's gonna have more than 10 cards.
Nice.
I mean, just like that's definitely more than 10 cards.
By the way, I was in the middle of a fun fact.
Oh, sorry. Continue with your fun fact.
Yeah.
Jeff Shaw, fun fact.
Jeff Shaw is the only player to ever play an All-Star game in a jersey that he never played a game for. He was traded to the Dodgers right before from the Reds.
So he played in a Dodgers uniform in the All-Star game?
Yeah, before he ever actually pitched as a Dodger.
Interesting. This pack's pretty.
He's also famous for being terrible, unreliable.
It's just like a Band-Aid, you know? Just the faster you rip.
Bones cracking.
It's just Shankies. You know, I would expect more paper loss. Derek Jeter, no! Jeter, why?
What's he doing?
It looks like he's covering a sneeze, maybe? And sport cards. Ugh. Robin Ventura looks okay because he's sliding. It just sort of looks like more debris in his face, you know, all this paper loss. Okay. Pass it off.
Yeah, he jumped so hard it ruined
Ruined
the card.
Scott Rowland, cover boy.
Nice. He's well preserved.
Oh man, just feeling the backs of these cards, dude. Just destroyed. You know what? I put down half that pack. This feels like a fatty too. So fat. Nice Bozeman, blah blah blah. Matt Williams.
So proud, yeah. I haven't thought of him in forever.
Ed Scheig. Ooh, Mark McGuire. Look at that bat toss.
Definitely just hit one out.
Definitely just hit a potato.
What year was this?
1999.
Oh, yeah, broke the record. He was just showing off at that point.
Old Greg.
Oh, Mike Maddox. Well, the Chris Gwynn cards
Greg
for that matter.
Darren Erstad. Chipper. Garrett Anderson.
You know, Greg Vaughn and Mo Vaughn were cousins.
I believe it.
And I want to say somehow related to Dimitri Young.
Oh man, this pack feels huge. I'm counting this one. Oh, you know what? There's still
It's just the ice.
It's definitely not. These packs are stacked. Ugh. So many cards. Oh my god, look how many cards are in this one. And they're all just different layers. Wait a minute. This pack didn't even close. Look. It was printed.
Huh?
This is such a bootleg box.
That's so
Look
weird.
at that. The pack never even shut. It had too many cards stuffed in it. And so, look, the pattern from the stamping machine got
It's on the
printed
card?
on the cards.
What a disappointment, box. It's too bad you can't do anything about it now.
Look how many cards are in here. Let's count. Let's see if I can just count the layers real quick. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 cards in this pack.
Well, if you get an autograph, it's going to be on 2 different cards.
Ugh. Ugh. Oh man. This is just mold.
I see something cool.
Well, that looks cool, but that's just the pattern from the stamp tool.
No, I mean, that.
That's just part of that.
The white?
The white, I think, is just like a base or something. It's part of the picture.
Boo.
Under shields. Oh, it's Cal Ripken Jr. too. Poor Cal. Nice little stamp pattern on the bottom there. We'll set that as. It's an interesting card.
Who's that?
Ugh.
Damian Easley. Is that Brady Anderson, the Sideburns guy?
Well, we got Randy Johnson on the back. Speaking of lack of sideburns, I guess. Just coming right over the ear.
Certainly not lacking in ugly.
No. What he lacked in sideburns, he made up with ugly.
It's Ryan Miner.
Just Ryan Miner. Don't get excited.
I always envied Brady Anderson's sideburns. I always thought they were so cool and pointy.
Alright, Greg. Come on.
Oh. Council.
Poor Greg.
Nathy. Or Neffy.
Perez. Then Javier.
Why does he get to go over there?
Well, he's got a bit of a printing defect. I'll set him aside with his brother. Ammo. This is the last pack, thank God. My hands are getting tired from all this card separation. Tom Gordon. Mike Piazza to go with our platinum medallion. Mike Piazza, huh?
Wonderful. A Dodger or a Royal?
Ooh. Oh no, it's Chipper. Oh no, it's Chan-Ho Park.
Sausage. You ever seen that video of Chan-Ho Park telling everyone
He's diarrhea.
Yeah.
It's my favorite video. Alright, so that's the box. The real highlight here is this Thunderclap card. And I gotta say, having it in hand, it's got this nice sort of texture pattern on it. It's like matte here and all glossy here. I don't know, it's kind of cool. You know? And it survived, actually, totally unscathed.
I
I
like
have a
it.
few cards in this box come out okay, so I'll take that outcome. Could have been worse.